everybody. Anna Raines, principal here at Tucker's Crossroads. Welcome back to 2020-2021. I have missed you all so very much, and I can't wait to see you guys. See you soon.
Hello, Tucker's Crossroads family. I'm Melanie Mundy, and I'm your assistant principal. I can't wait to see everyone next week. Parents, if you ever need anything, please feel free to contact me. Have a great weekend. Bye, guys.
I'm Miss Hump. And I'm Miss Ashworth. Welcome to kindergarten.
The first grade team from Tucker's Crossroads School. And one of the first grade teachers is
Angie Johnson.
and I am Melanie Collier. And we have classrooms in the building that we'll be teaching from. But then we have a special guest who is,
Mr. Frank,
and he is,
the virtual teacher.
in other words, you have to be on the computer to find him. We hope y'all have a great year and come and see first grade. Are we ready? Because it's good.
Hi, I'm Miss Cummings, and I am the social studies teacher for middle school at Tucker's Crossroads.
Hi, I'm Miss Hinton. I'm the 7th and 8th grade ELA teacher.
Hi, I'm Miss Doolittle. I'm 7th and 8th ELA.
Hi, I'm Miss Howe. I'm the 7th grade math teacher and the 8th grade algebra teacher.
Hey, I'm Miss Sensing, and I teach 7th and 8th grade math.
I'm Mr. Young, teach 7th and 8th grade science.
We are the Exceptional Ed Team.
I'm Mr. D. I work with the middle school.
Miss McGinnis, K through 4th grade.
Miss Douglas, CDC, K-8.
Miss Jessica, special ed room.
Miss J's middle school. Riri, CDC room.
Miss Daisy, K through 5.
Wanda, CDC room. Hi, I'm Miss Mitchell. I'm the SEEK teacher, and I look forward to seeing you guys in class.